Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we're the Leffersons.
Yeah.
And happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
There is a slight chance that this might not get posted on Valentine's Day. Garrett, I don't know if you know this, but we are doing a Valentine's Day swap with a bunch of our other favorite YouTubers. We'll leave all their channels linked down below. The packages are not to everyone in the swap.
Come on, UPS, FedEx.
Yeah, like I
Canada
think
Air.
things happened. One package got sent back to that person's house, so they had to resend it. So this is either going to be posted on Valentine's Day or the day after. If it's posted the day after, then this is a Valentine's Day box after Valentine's Day. I mean, it's Disney. It's going to be us opening Disney things, so it's going to be great anyways. But we're going to get into it.
So, honey, who did we get matched up with? Who sent us stuff?
We got our box from Heather, the Sassy Cinderella, and it's funny on it, she says, I know, you're shocked, because we've been in a lot of swaps together. We've done a swap together, just the two of us, and then we've been in several swaps together, so we've gotten each other a few times, and same with like the GaymeBoyz and some of the other people in this swap. We have swapped with several times, so
we met Heather.
That's kind of why it's a not so secret Valentine's Day swap, because we all pretty much know each other. But it is in a Christmas bibbidi bobbidi box, so it's kind of like extra magical, and I'm excited. There was criteria for this swap. I don't remember what it was. A handmade item, which could even be a card, which was obviously my handmade
There might
item.
be something in the box. I don't know.
And like a pin, a plush, a wearable. I don't know, like your typical swap stuff.
So whenever we open these, I have no idea what to expect. And so we're gonna be opening this together, and we're just gonna be, this is a live reaction of, oh.
It says, happy birthday, and she crossed out birthday and said Valentine's Day.
So I'm going to assume that
this was her birthday bibbidi bobbidi box. Oh my gosh, that's
one of my
hilarious.
favorite things is taking a card that's for like a 4-year-old and put like 24 and make it like happy 24. I love that. That's just, I think it's hilarious.
I think kids cards are cuter anyways. I would rather get a kids card.
There's a nice, lovely letter on top with some beautiful handwriting.
Yeah, you have really nice handwriting, Heather.
It's a Hallmark card. None of that Dollar Tree stuff. I'm so glad we're friends. And this is obviously to me because Alyssa hates sushi.
But you love sushi.
Love sushi. On the inside it has this cute little, it's textured, and this cute little guy down here. And it says, hey friends, happy Valentine's. Sorry this is cutting it close, but I had to get you stuff at the parks. Duh.
Yeah.
I probably threw the criteria out the window also. Hope you love it. Search the box carefully. There should be 5 items. So happy we got to meet in the Springs. And so we did get to meet Heather.
Yes, we met her when we were at Disney World just this last time. We only hung out for like maybe 30 minutes, but it was a magical 30 minutes. It was great. Okay, let's get into the box. Bum, bada, bum, bum. Garrett!
Did you tell her?
I don't know. I might have told her. I think we did talk about it actually.
So the first thing on top is the hat that I saw in the park, and I was like, usually I don't buy things when we go to the park. That's just, or especially things that are just for me. I usually buy things for my wife.
Yeah.
And I saw this hat, and I was like, I kind of like that. And every time we saw it, I was like, nah.
Well, Garrett was like, I don't want to spend the money on it. I don't want to spend the money on it.
So I just got it for free. No.
Well, and it's funny because I put this in our request for Bibbidi Bobbidi Box, so now I gotta take it out because you got it from Heather. Oh, our friends just know us, you know.
So it's a gray hat with Cinderella Castle and Walt and Mickey, and that's the partner statue. And then on the inside it has a really soft headband, which I assume is really good at soaking up the sweat that you usually have in Florida. So.
And you love that it's low-key Disney. This is a new hat from the parks.
Yeah,
because
this
we
is
did not
new.
see this the last time we were there.
This is the new, y'all.
Yay! That's a good one. Thank you, Heather. So that's our wearable item. Wearable.
No, there's another wearable.
Oh, there's another wearable. Oh my gosh. That is adorable.
I think this is Alyssa's.
Oh my gosh, is this mine? Okay, we're gonna zip it up and then show you. It's a zip up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It is an Eeyore zip-up.
I've never seen this.
Oh my gosh, I think she got it from the character warehouse.
Okay.
And, oh my gosh, there's so much going on here. So on the hood, it says, busy doing nothing. And then the hood is purple, like the pretty Eeyore purple.
On the inside of his ears.
Yes, and then on the back, there's a big Eeyore, and there he is.
I kind of want this.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
And I really like there's these pops of color. There's that purple. Get here, come here. So there's like in his bow and in the flowers and in the butterfly up here on his nose.
Yeah.
And just look how happy he is. Eeyore is not sad. He just enjoys the small things in life.
He enjoys being busy doing nothing.
And now Eeyore is stitched on there, and then like the background is screen printed on there. But this is really...
This matches my shirt right now. I'm currently wearing a Mickey and Minnie like heart shirt that I got from Kohl's like a few years ago for like $8. Yeah, that's on the corner of the front. I'm gonna put this on.
Yes. Pause.
Because it's also cold. If you don't know where we live in Chicago, and right now it is like, the wind chill's like negative something.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
With the wind's not blowing, it's fine.
It was cold.
That's such a Midwestern
yes.
thing to say.
This is like so comfy.
That fits
and
me
I
like...
actually really like that it's a large because it's like cozy. Oh, I love this. Thank you. Look at us in our wearables. Oh my gosh.
Who's that girl on YouTube that always says cozy?
Allison.
It's cozy.
I'll leave her channel link down below. She's just like, I just love her.
So I think there's 3 more items, which makes sense because she said 5.
Yes.
It goes from like bigger to medium to small. You want to start small or?
Let's start small.
Okay. It's a pin.
Yay.
I saw it and then I quickly looked away because I'm trying my best to undo it without seeing it. So it's a double pin back. I'm just feeling it. It's a pin-on-pin design. I'm just feeling it, and
oh, and that's so funny because that's an open edition that has been out for a while, and we don't own it yet.
Thanks for noticing me.
Oh, I love it.
I'm
loving the Eeyore theme
I know.
right now.
I'm completely okay with it.
And it's for you.
This is for me.
Does his tail move?
His tail does not move.
Okay, it's just a pin on pin.
I'm gonna take it off the back here.
And it's so funny, like you'd think that when really cute like open editions come out that we would like jump on them, but those are the ones that we actually never get because we hope that people get them for us as gifts. That's literally what it is. So
or we trade for them.
Because then we're like, oh, what if someone gets us that? Like that's an easy gift for someone to give us. You know what I mean? I'm just being real.
Look at him. And then he has a little honey pot and it's sparkly.
It even kind of has some fall leaves there. Yeah. That could be like a fall pin. Yeah. We could put that on our fall pin board.
So as I said, it's a pin on pin. So those new to pins, that means that it's like a double layer. So it's kind of stuck on there, and actually there's a little rivet on the back of the pin that holds it on there. So I'm not sure how many people that watch us know a lot about pins. So when I say pin on pin,
people do comment on our channel and is like, I don't know anything about pin collecting or pin trading, but like I love looking at your pins.
Well, there you go. So I'm trying to educate you guys. But yeah, this is super duper cute.
It's adorable. It's perfect. It's perfect.
Heather.
And we don't have it. You're killing it. Okay, so another criteria was candy, I think. And this might be food? Maybe not. It's wrapped like, maybe it's an ornament.
It's a candy apple.
I bet you it's an ornament.
Did you go back to the store?
Hold on. I think I know what this is.
Did she go back?
I told her, yep, it is. I literally pointed this out to her and I was like, I don't know why we don't have this yet. I keep expecting someone to get it for us.
I'm on to you. Heather, I'm on to you. She's like, let me in
No
Disney.
one even knows what it is.
No. Before we show this, I'm on to you because she's like, let's meet at Disney Springs. And we're like, sure. So we wander through shops and, we're talking
we're like
Disney.
pointing things out.
And we're like, oh, we don't have that, but we've seen that. Oh, have you seen that new gray hat?
Oh my
and then we're in the Christmas store and we're like, we don't have this ornament. And she's like, oh my gosh, why? And they're just talking and...
You're probably wondering why we don't have this yet. And literally... because we thought that maybe we would get it in a swap or something because it's an easy gift for us. It's perfect for us, right? Oh my god.
And it's Baymax and he's wrapped up in the lights. And this has been around for like 2 years. This is not an exclusive item.
Why do we not have it?
Never bought it because I'm always like, next time. And or we're wandering around. But just look at them. I have a hoodie or I have a sweatshirt that I got in a swap from the GaymeBoyz, and I love it.
This was also perfect because we literally pointed it out to you. We made this easy for you.
I think
totally
she
made it easy.
She's like, oh, we gotta go eat lunch, and then just ran back and got all the things.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
So I think this is gonna be for Alyssa. It's a mug.
Okay, so let me open this one.
Yeah, I'm giving it to you.
It is a mug, yes, definitely a mug.
I have an idea of what it is.
Is it a honey pot?
I think it is.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is awesome.
That is.
Oh my gosh, look at this honey pot mug.
Show them the top, yo.
This is amazing. I'm just showing around first because it gets better when I show you the top. But you just have like bumblebees and like the details of the honey dripping down.
And it like comes off of it.
It's definitely, it's kind of like a pin on pin.
It's a 3D element.
It's a 3D element, yeah. And then it says honey there, but look at the top. It has a lid. It has a lid and it turns.
Pop that sucker open.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so I freaking love these lids because this is literally how I take my coffee to work in the morning.
That's a big old mug.
And that's a big mug. This is gonna be perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. Thank you for getting us everything that was perfect for our lives. And also very practical things. Literally everything was practical.
And there are things that...
The ornament. Everything was practical.
What I love about getting boxes from a subscription service, from other people in swaps, is they're things that you wouldn't buy for yourself, but you kind of want. And this is a perfect example of all that. This is all perfect. It's all...
But honestly, I feel like I would have bought a lot of these things for we actually would have bought all these things for ourselves.
Maybe eventually.
Eventually.
But it's cool to get it as a gift.
It is. And then it's like one less thing that we have to get. And now I need to take this off our bibbity bobbity thing.
So bibbity boppity girls, if you're watching this.
Our bibbity bobbity preferences. Don't put this... Maybe they already boxed up your hat. Maybe, I don't know, you might be getting a Wizard's Vault first.
That'd be cool.
To be determined. You'll have to find out for whenever. I'm trying to put your head back on.
I was seeing how long it'd take you to do it. You were like creeping it back.
Oh my gosh, well I love this mug. I love this sweatshirt. It is super duper warm. The pin is amazing.
Yes, and the hat. Oh, and the
ornament's amazing. Literally everything that was perfect. We will leave Heather's channel linked down below and every other channel that is in this swap linked down below. Make sure to go check out all of the videos. I'm sure everyone is super duper creative in this swap, so make sure go check out every single video and definitely go check out who we sent our box to, the Dawnties.
And a great big thank you to Heather. This makes my heart smile. It's cold outside, but our hearts are warm in here.
Yes.
We're feeling the love.
And I love unboxing box swaps. It's like Christmas Day.
It's fun.
It's so exciting.
It's like a Christmas birthday, like just because gift.
Yeah.
It's great.
And we're swapping boxes with like our best friends on YouTube who totally get us, so like we already knew it was gonna be amazing.
We hang out with cool people.
Yeah, it's fine. Anyways, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let us know what your favorite item was, or let us know how you are celebrating Valentine's Day. Are you guys going out to dinner? Are you having like a Galentine's Day?
Or are you just completely against it and you're like, it's a Hallmark holiday and I hate love?
Oh, that was really sad, Garrett.
But have you seen like 27 Dresses?
Yes.
She does it.
Yes.
That's a throwback.
So comment down below. Let us know what your Valentine's Day or long weekend plans are. We are going up to Door County, Wisconsin for an event. And maybe we'll put that on our Instagram. So if you're following us on Instagram, you can see our story where we're at.
It's called the Leffersons.
Yes, we are the Leffersons. And then also subscribe to our channel for more Disney content. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.
See you later. You can't get close enough to completely cover it. His belly can. Ah!